Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be talking about Pancakeswap Prediction. So right here on Pancakeswap, if you don't know how to navigate this Pancakeswap, let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to make a video tutorial on how to connect your wallet and how to come over here. And what I'm going to be doing right here is come over here. You see this prediction beta right here. You need to come over here, and in this video I'm going to be predicting this cake price. As you can see over here, this is the previous prediction. If you were here, you see it says this coin is going to go up in value in the next 55 minutes. You're going to be receiving 2.84x return on your money, and the same thing goes to the next one and the following one. So I just want to try this for the first time, and I'm going to this round is going to start in 1 minute 50 seconds. So right here I'm going to select where this price is going to go next. The previous one went up. I'm unable to see the multiplier of this, but this is the previous one. Right here I'm going to go with up, like crypto generally is going up. So right here I'm going to press up. I'm going to input the amount of cake I want to stake. Let me stake 0.1 of this of my cake in my account. I'm going to enable, and I'm going to sign this, approve this on Binance. Then I'm just going to wait for this to confirm. After confirm, then I'm going to enable. Then I'm going to confirm right here again. First I enable because I'm doing this for the first time. So after this I'm going to yes, I've placed this order that is going to go up, and I have to wait for this, how this is going to play out. So right here I'm just going to wait back and see what is going to happen. You see this countdown over here in 60 seconds. In 22 seconds this is going to start, and this is the previous one. This one is going to start in 5 minutes, and just have to wait for this, and let's see how this is going to play out. And right here I'm just going to wait for this. 4 3 1 0, and right here is going to come live. Right here I'm just going to wait for this. Done. And I think it's still in live because I'm doing this for the first time, and I don't know, maybe that's all. This is still in live. Maybe you just have to wait for this to fill this gap and wait for the final answer, like final result for this prediction to come up. So I have to wait for this to end, so I know maybe this went up or down, then know how much, like if I lose this money or I actually make money. So now right now I just have to wait for this to fill this space over here. Then no, you see it's going up again. So right here I'm just going to wait for this. So it depends on when this loading over here stays over here, and it's going to stop over here. If this up, then you're going to just chance your investment, maybe multiplier of investment, so you know how much you are receiving in this bet. So that's what I think is bet, because you are predicting maybe this is going to go up or down. I only think is the bet is not that kind of too sure, because you just have to check this cake price maybe is in good trend or uptrend, so you can really capitalize of this 5 minute chart. So right here, if I just want to be doing this frequently, I will need to read the cake chart before I can just predict this randomly. So right here, I predict this that is going to go up, and right here this pool is going to finish in 2 minutes 33 seconds. And right here, if this can stay like this, I'm going to receive 50% return on investment in this. So take for instance, you predict this is going to go up and you deposit, like you stake $100, you're going to be receiving $50. And no, this is a risk investment. Make sure you know what you are doing and you are willing to lose money. You are investing, so in the case of losing this money, you won't hurt yourself or blame yourself trying this out. And I came across this and I said I should try to do this and see how it goes. And this Pancakeswap prediction. So I'm going to press this and to cancel this. And in 1 minute 30 seconds, I'm going to see the final decision for this pool right here, and it's still in up. So hopefully this finish up, so I can receive this 50% of this pool, 50% price, because it says 1.59x. So that's 50%. If it's something like 2, it's kind of like 2x, like times 2 of your money, and you'll be receiving double of your money. But this is half, then that's why I said it's 50%. And right now this pool is going to finish in 44 minutes, in 44 seconds. So right here, I just want this to finish right here immediately, hopefully, because this price have been going down again. If you see this price, it went like 0010, and right now it's 0001. So in 20 seconds, hopefully this price can stay like this and not going down, and just try to see how this thing is going to finish. And right here, with crypto, anything can happen. Like crypto can go up in 1 minute, like make a good return on investment. You see, it's calculating the result, and I'm just going to see how much I'm going to receive on this, and I'll wait for this to calculate. So right here, wow, you see, this coin went down. You actually go down, not up. You see, when this pull stop, he said the price is going to go up, like up. And at the end of this result of calculating this, the calculation shows down. So that's the problem in betting this kind of pool right here. And as you can see, there's another one in preparation. If you want to try this out, let me know in the comment section, and maybe you want me to do more video about this, and I'm going to be in the comment section to answer your question and know what you think. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell.